Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something super exciting for you, something that's gonna blow your mind. I'm talking about crazy unbelievable facts. We're diving into 10 unbelievable facts that will make you question everything you thought you knew. Like, did you know that some things seem impossible but they're totally real? We're gonna uncover those today, and I promise you, you're gonna be shocked. Get ready to have your mind blown. Alright, first up, we're talking wars. But not just any war, the shortest war in history. This war was so short, you could probably watch an entire season of your favorite show in the same amount of time. It was between England and Zanzibar back in 1896. Imagine this, August 27th, a bright sunny day, birds are chirping, and bam, war breaks out. But hold on, before you can even process what's happening, it's over. That's right, 38 minutes, that's all it took. They fought, someone surrendered, and everyone went home. You can't even order a pizza that fast. Next up, we're diving into the world of ancient Egypt, pyramids, pharaohs, and honey. Turns out honey is like the ultimate survivor. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old. And guess what? It's still edible. That's older than any food I know. Scientists say honey has this amazing ability to last forever because of its low water content and high acidity, which basically stops bacteria from growing. So next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey, remember, you might be tasting something that's been around for centuries. Okay, get ready for some space talk. We're going to Venus, the second planet from the Sun. Venus is a pretty weird place, and here's why. A day on Venus is actually longer than a year on Venus. You heard me right. Here on Earth, a day is 24 hours and a year is 365 days, right? But on Venus, it takes longer for the planet to rotate on its axis, that's a day, than it does to orbit the sun, that's a year. It's like time is playing tricks on you. Chapter 4. Bananas are berries, strawberries aren't. What? Let's talk about fruit, but get ready to have your mind blown because things are about to get fruity. So, you know how we categorize fruits? Well, prepare to be confused. Bananas? Those are actually berries. I know, right? But it's true. They develop from a single ovary and have multiple seeds. But here's the kicker, strawberries, not berries. They're called aggregate fruits, which means they form from a bunch of tiny fruits clustered together. Who knew fruit could be so complicated? Chapter 5. More stars than grains of sand? Mind blown. Have you ever been to the beach and tried to count all the grains of sand? It's impossible, right? Well, imagine trying to count all the stars in the universe. It's like that, but a billion times crazier. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth combined. That's a number so big it's hard to even imagine. It's just mind-boggling to think about how vast and endless the universe really is. Chapter 6. 3 Hearts, the Amazing Octopus. Octopuses are some of the coolest creatures on the planet. They're like aliens living right here in our oceans. And guess what? They have 3 hearts. 2 of their hearts pump blood through their gills, which is how they breathe underwater, and the 3rd heart pumps blood to the rest of their body. They're also super intelligent and can solve puzzles, open jars, and even recognize individual human faces. Chapter 7. Lightning, nature's toaster. Ever been scared of a thunderstorm? Yeah, lightning is powerful stuff, but did you know just how powerful it really is? A single bolt of lightning can generate enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. That's enough toast to feed a small city. It's like having a giant toaster in the sky. So next time you hear thunder crack, remember the sheer power of that lightning bolt. Chapter 8. The Eiffel Tower. Growing taller. Every summer. Paris is known for romance, croissants, and the Eiffel Tower growing? You read that right. The Eiffel Tower can actually grow taller in the summer. It's all thanks to something called thermal expansion. When things heat up, they expand, and when they cool down, they contract. So, during the summer months when the sun beats down on the Eiffel Tower, the metal expands, making it about 15 centimeters taller. That's like adding another 6 inches to something already super tall. Chapter 9. Bananas, humans, and DNA, more alike than you think. We might look different, but believe it or not, humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. I know, it sounds crazy, but it's true. This doesn't mean we evolved from bananas or anything like that. It just means that we share a common ancestor way back in evolutionary history. We also share DNA with other surprising things like mushrooms and trees. It's a reminder that all living things are connected in some way. Chapter 10. Clouds fluffier than they look, heavier than you think. Ever look up at the sky and see those big fluffy clouds? They look so light and airy, like you could just reach out and grab a handful. But don't be fooled. A single cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. That's like carrying around 500 elephants. Clouds are made up of tiny water droplets or ice crystals, and when those droplets clump together, they can hold a lot of weight. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing facts, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. There's so much more to explore. We've got a universe of crazy facts out there, and I'm ready to share them all with you. Comment below which fact surprised you the most. Was it the super short war, the ancient honey, or maybe the fact that you share DNA with a banana? Let me know and I'll see you in the next video.